How to change your Canva into coloring page. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the photo on your Canva to the coloring page. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Canva on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then select the image from the gallery to your Canva. Now you want to make it color changing canvas. So if you want to color on it and you want to remove all the colors from here, what you need to do is you just need to tap on the very photo and tap on the edges section. Now for the clarity, just remove it and go on the brightness and make it very bright. Contrast level also should be very contrast. Highlight should also be very highlighted. The shadows should be shadowed also. The whites should be there and the black should also be there. The vibrance should also be just like this. The saturation is like this and the color edit is nothing. So you can see from the color photo we have changed it to a photo where we can color it again. So just like this you can do it to your photo as well. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.